Hey guys, lock pick mechanic here today with a 5-pin Cisa lock. Works nicely. Here's the key. Cam mechanism here. It seems to be those annoying clips, so when we gut it, if we do get it picked, it's going to be annoying. And there's top of the keyway tension. Here we are. Okay. Something 1. Nothing 2, 3, 4, no, 5. Here we are, into a fault set now. There we go, got it open. Up. So what we've got here, we have got 2 steel drive pins, and brass pin, all spools except for this cracker pin. You can see that. So there is 5 pins in total. There is at the front of the stack 2 steel pins, 1 driver and 1 in the pin stack. There are 3 spools, array of spools which are effective, and there's a Christmas cracker pin probably for anti-bump. Yeah, not a bad lock all in all, not a bad lock. Sure, this has been Lock Pick Mechanic. Goodbye.